This is how you're going to make $30,000 on YouTube within 90 days or less. Pay close attention because every detail is vital if you're to get this right. YouTube Shorts are going mega viral right now, and this is your chance to make some good money before it gets harder to grow on the platform. If you're someone who thinks it's impossible to make 30 grand in 3 months, I'm about to prove you wrong. Change is inevitable, but growth is optional. John C. Maxwell. The rise of AI technology is moving at a pace that even the experts would have never anticipated. And while this is happening, the divide between the rich and the poor is only growing wider. With the looming economic crisis, this boom in AI technology seems to hold the secret to creating wealth and securing your future. But only if you don't sleep on it. You know there's value in something when millionaires and billionaires are pouring their money into it. And while not everyone can invest billions into AI projects like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and the rest, everyone can definitely learn how to use these AI tools free of charge and take advantage of what they have to offer from an economic standpoint. But most people won't. At this point in history, we all have two choices with regard to AI. What you pick is guaranteed to have serious consequence on your financial situation both in the short and long term. Option 1. You can resist the inevitable change and complain about AI technology taking away your job, which will ultimately lead to more poverty on your part. Option 2. You can understand AI tools, adapt to the inevitable changes, and use these new technologies to make millions and grow your wealth, especially during these tough economic times. Change may be inevitable, but growth is optional. What you choose to do with this information is up to you. In this video, we'll share the details of how to make passive income using free AI tools. We'll give you an actionable plan, and also tell you exactly what you need to know to do this for yourself starting today. Despite how much buzz there is about AI, all these tools are still very much in their infancy stages. That makes this the perfect time to dive in and make thousands of dollars almost overnight using these AI tools. Those who've caught wind of this, and are smart enough to make the right choice, are already using AI to make loads of cash online. What's crazy is they're doing it in weeks, and sometimes even just a couple of months. If you stick around to the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same thing for yourself to make up to $30,000 in passive income on YouTube using free AI tools. Subscribe and turn on notifications and ensure you never miss a chance to increase your propensity for wealth. This is how you're going to make $30,000 on YouTube within 90 days or less. Pay close attention because every detail is vital if you're to get this right. YouTube Shorts are going mega viral right now, and this is your chance to make some good money before it gets harder to grow on the platform. If you're someone who thinks it's impossible to make 30 grand in 3 months, I'm about to prove you wrong. Let's dive in. Step 1. You need to create a free YouTube channel. This is the easy part. Oh, and don't worry, you won't be filming any videos of your own. Step 2. Do your research on YouTube platform and find a good niche. You can use ChatGPT to help you find viral niches on YouTube right now. This should be something that interests you. That way, you won't get bored making the content and stop halfway there. Whatever you choose, make sure it's something that gets a lot of views on the platform already. Example niches include entertainment, sports, health, podcasts, relationships, pets. The list is endless, to be honest. Next, you want to find already existing content from YouTube that you can edit to make it unique and your own. This is where you'll need to do some research to see what's working. Once you find good videos that people seem to like, then that's it. Start downloading and editing those videos. Don't worry about copyright issues. YouTube allows you to use other people's content, but you have to do it correctly. Make sure to go through YouTube's terms and conditions here to learn what you can and can't do. Otherwise, you'll get into problems with copyright infringement and get your channel deleted or worse, have legal issues to deal with, and we don't want that. If you want to know exactly how to do this, make sure you follow and subscribe for more detailed videos absolutely free. You'll need to create and upload at least 3 YouTube Shorts daily. If you do this correctly, you should start seeing hundreds if not thousands of views on your videos in just weeks. Some creators are getting millions of views in just a month or less. Remember, consistency is key, and so is quality. Create something people actually want to watch. If you wouldn't watch it, don't waste time creating garbage. Finally, you'll need to get a solid affiliate product or service that you can promote to your viewers and audience on your YouTube Shorts channel. All you need is a solid high-ticket product that pays you at least $300 per sale. Now that we have the traffic from the YouTube Shorts views, we're going to monetize this audience using affiliate products. You can also monetize your audience using sponsorships and through the YouTube AdSense program. But those two methods are outside the scope of this video. You'll want to stay tuned for the next videos on this playlist because we'll definitely delve deeper into those areas in later videos. So make sure to subscribe. If you're new to affiliate marketing, this is by far one of the best ways to earn passive income online, even if you're a clueless beginner. The concept is simple. Brands and companies need more customers, and they're willing to pay you a commission for sending clients to them. Using free AI tools, this is the easiest AI side hustle anyone can start. As an affiliate marketer, you get paid for sharing links to products or services anywhere online. Each time a new customer buys through your affiliate link, you make a commission. It's that simple. You don't need to think about inventory, return products, or customer service. You'll want to find a good high-ticket affiliate program. That way, you can make a decent income whenever you make a sale. After all, our goal is to make $30,000 or more in 3 months or less. If you want a done-for-you system that allows you to make repeated commissions on autopilot, even as a clueless beginner, check out the first link in the description box below and start earning immediately. Once you have your affiliate product, all you have to do is incorporate it into your content. Always give a call to action and put your affiliate link in the description box or pin it in the comments section of your videos. It helps to promote an affiliate product that aligns with the type of content in the niche you'll choose. It's time to introduce the free AI tools you'll need to automate this process. That way, you can work less and earn more. We'll talk about how you can use these tools. But be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos that will go into more details. The first tool is ChatGPT, created by OpenAI. Unless you live under a rock, you've probably heard of this AI tool. You'll only need the free version of ChatGPT, and here's what it can help you do. 1. Finding viral YouTube short channel niches and ideas. 2. Creating a name for your YouTube Shorts channel. 3. Finding great, highly optimized titles for your YouTube Shorts videos. 4. Writing optimized descriptions to help with your channel's metadata. And 5. Generating quality thumbnail ideas for your shorts. The next tool is a complete game changer that will allow you to create several shorts with just the click of a button. It's called Opus Click AI. This tool is also powered by OpenAI, and it allows you to make hundreds of shorts from long-form videos in just minutes. You simply have to find the long-form video you want from YouTube or anywhere else. Once you've done that, get the link of that video and paste it inside Opus Click AI, and wait for the magic to happen. The tool creates highly engaging shorts, and even gives you the ranking score of just how likely it is for a particular short to go viral. It automatically generates subtitles, and you can even ensure that the shorts are created using the brand colors for your channel. Finally, you can use Lexica. This is a great AI alternative to Midjourney. With Lexica, you can generate insane AI art for your YouTube Shorts thumbnails. That way, when people are scrolling through YouTube, you can entice them to click on your videos, giving you a better click-through rate and more views. And of course, this means more chances to make bank as an affiliate. This is the perfect time to make money online. There's no more excuses. If you couldn't edit, you no longer have to. If you couldn't write, you no longer need to. The only thing you still have to do is taking action. AI can't help you with laziness and procrastination. Or maybe it can. At this point, who really knows what AI can and can't do? We'll have to wait for Elon Musk's Neuralink to find out. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share. And see you in the next videos as we help you increase your propensity for wealth.